Thank you. Good evening and welcome to the Dental Hygiene Pinning Ceremony to honor and celebrate the graduating Dental Hygiene class of 2021. We are honored to have in attendance President John Cook, Vice President Geraldine DeBurley, and Dean Christopher Scott. We will begin the program with welcome remarks from President Cook.
You're too kind. In this world that we're living in, the pinning ceremony 2 nights ago, we took our masks down when we were at the mic. I'm taking my cues from our program coordinator, so I'm going to keep mine on tonight. What a year, everybody. What a year. Let me start by welcoming our family and our loved ones. Thank you so much. What we know is that our students invest a tremendous amount of time. There's a rigor to this program, and they need all the support that they can get. We can't thank you enough for everything that you've done for these students over these past 2 years. So again, thank you families and loved ones for everything that you have done. Thank you. I'd also like to express my sincere thanks to our faculty and staff, including Darlene O'Brien, Joel Connor, Michelle Mariano, Diana Ibarra, Nettie Figueroa, our program coordinator, Meg Lodholt, and I know we have our dentist, Dr. Marty Wall, here tonight. Thank you to our faculty and staff. Thank you. To our students, I'm thrilled for you. We are so thrilled for your tenacity. Usually I share how I can only imagine your thoughts when you first took and passed that anatomy and physiology class and wondered about this moment. Imagine back to how that felt, but that seems to pale in comparison to the year that we've had. In March of last year, I sat in my hygienist chair, who did happen to be a sick train graduate, by the way, and watched on TV all the closures in that month of March that were happening. And I thought of all of you. I thought about this program, and I wondered what this pandemic would mean. And yet, my goodness, here you all are. As we know, dental health, is health care. And I have to believe you went into this program because you knew you could help people. You knew you could help people in meaningful ways, feel reassured, feel a little better, literally put a smile on their face. So as you move forward into the world that feels just a bit more open today than it did the day before, I strongly encourage you to remember the words of Maya Angelou. People will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Best wishes, Dental Hygiene class of 2021, and congratulations.
We will now have welcoming remarks from Dean Christopher Scott.
Thank you. Good evening to all our guests, to our faculty, to President Cook, Vice President DeBurley, most importantly to our students, our graduates. I can't stress how proud I am of each of you. As President Cook alluded to, 2 years ago you entered a program that was much different. Your expectations were a lot different. Your expectations of what class would be like, what the clinic would be like, how you treated patients, how you gowned, how you gloved, masked, face masked, on top of trying to learn all the new equipment that each of you had, from your specialty glasses, and trying to overcome so many challenges. To our faculty, thank you. Thank you for your commitment, your unwavering commitment to educating them, especially during the pandemic. Without you, we wouldn't have these wonderful graduates, so thank you to you and the dentists. To our program leadership, once again, thank you. The communication, your ability to make sure that you put the students first and you got them to this point is really a testament to each of you each day. So thank you to each of you. To the parents of these graduates, thank you. Thank you for your commitment to this program. Thank you for the time, the difficult conversations, especially when the students said, I don't want to go on. But they persevered. And each of you persevered throughout your education. And that makes us even more proud. In my 5+ years now as dean, this class has been through more than any other class I've had. And it's a testament to your persistence, to your dedication to this profession. Each of you will go on and be very successful. And while your education at SDCC ends, I challenge you to continue your education. Your field is just continuing to grow and continuing to evolve. Challenge yourself, just like your faculty have. but be proud of your accomplishments today. We sure are. Once again, congratulations to the class of 2021. Thank you.
Thank you, President Cook. Thank you, Dean Scott, for your welcoming remarks. So each year, we have awards that are given to certain dental hygiene students that for one or another have stood out in the eyes of the faculty. These are both corporate-sponsored awards, and this year are monetarily supported by the Valley District Dental Society. So anyway, the first award is called the David R. Jelinas Award, and this is named after one of our full-time faculty, Darlene O'Brien, whose father, Dr. David Jelinas, was a dentist. He's now retired. And the award is presented to the student who has demonstrated clinical excellence, professional dignity, and commitment to ethical behavior in providing patient-centered oral hygiene care. I'm pleased to announce that the recipient of the award for the class of 2021 is Michelle Sanchez. The next two awards are called the Hugh Freedy Golden Scaler Awards. Hugh Freedy is the name of the company that we purchase all of our dental instruments from. And these awards are presented to the students who have demonstrated excellence in basic dental hygiene instrumentation techniques and commitment to comprehensive patient care. The first recipient of the Golden Scaler Award is Rosalie Mendez. You could take your mask off. The second recipient of the Golden Scaler Award for the class of 2021 is Sangul Yakuzova. The next award to be presented is the Colgate Star Award. And the Colgate Star Award is presented to a graduating dental hygiene student who shows excellence and commitment to the profession by demonstrating true dedication to the profession, exhibiting extraordinary compassion in patient care, displaying enthusiasm and follow-through for community service, and demonstrating outstanding patient education and motivation skills. I'm pleased to announce the recipient of the Golden Star Award is Marissa Kagan. The next award is the STCC Dental Hygiene Leadership Award. This award is presented to the graduating dental hygiene student who demonstrates exceptional leadership skills as well as strength and dedication in their guidance of peers, fundraising, and community service. The recipient of the 2021 Dental Hygiene Leadership Award is Lauren Wilhoit. The next award is the Hampshire District Dental Society Award. This award is presented to the graduating dental hygiene student who excels in delivering patient-centered care, exemplifies strong communication skills, and demonstrates compassion while caring for their patients to assist them in improving both their oral and their overall health. And the recipient of this year's Hampshire District Dental Society Award is Amanda Chico. The Valley District Dental Society Award is presented to the graduating student who has shown a high regard for the future of the profession and its role in the community. And the recipient of the Class of 2021 Valley District Dental Society Award is Andrew Karpoliak. The final award is the Dental Hygiene Team Player Award. This is awarded to the student who consistently demonstrates their commitment and dedication to the dental hygiene program and their classmates by their unselfish and always positive acts of kindness. And the recipient of this year's Dental Hygiene Team Player Award is Virginia Bromberg. Okay, so I'm going to go off script a moment. The next category says presentation of the class, but I think we'll do that after we award the pins. So we're going to start awarding the pins right now. And the first student to receive their pin is Hifsa Awan. Miranda Balsar Colomb. Sarah Bissett. Virginia Bromberg. Marissa Kagan. Amanda Chico. Natalie Freeman. Abby Jackson. Andrew Karpoliak. Rosalie Mendez. Mikasa Miller. Anastasia Pirogova. Talisha Roberson. Michelle Sanchez. Brianna Stellato. Lauren Wilhoit. Sangul Yakuzova. I must tell the audience that there are two members of our graduating class that, for personal reasons, could not be here this evening, but they're with us in spirit, and we certainly miss them. One is going to be moving on Saturday to Virginia Beach, Virginia, and one is going to have a baby any day, so, so they weren't going to make it tonight. Just some closing remarks, and then I will present the class, and the class has put together a very nice slideshow for you. Obviously, this is particularly different, difficult, and extraordinarily crazy year. Clinic was running days a week, full steam. Dental materials labs took place in the former cosmetology suite. Only 6 students in the locker room at a time, socially distanced lunches in room 211, and a very long trek from parking lot 1 to building 20 to check in with the Australian or British, I haven't made up my mind yet, speaking robot taking temperatures. I will admit the days leading up to the fall semester were very anxiety-provoking because we would all be facing this quote-unquote new normal. Had it not been for such an extraordinary group of people, including students, faculty, staff, maintainers, and administration, the road would have been a much more difficult road to hoe. But every day, it became the new normal and easier to navigate, and fall turned into spring, and the Pearl Street pedestrian gate was opened, and it almost seemed like the old normal, except for the crazy clinic schedules and lab schedules. I have to put my glasses on. I thought I could see without them, but no go. But those days are behind us now, and while we will always have those memories of more difficult days, we, and especially the graduates, can look forward to a very bright future and putting all of the knowledge and skills that they have spent 2 years honing and perfecting into their chosen career path. Dental hygiene, like many of the programs in the School of Health, is not for the faint of heart. There are long days, exams, quizzes, and research papers. There are patients that don't show or cancel at the last minute. This year in particular, things were looking pretty bleak on the clinic front until Dean Scott, with the approval of the administration, told us that we were allowed to waive our traditional fees for treatment. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts, since had it not been for that course of action, we would have had 19 students that would probably not be graduating until the fall. I cannot say enough about the character of this class. There are 19 very unique individuals from different backgrounds and cultures that came together just by luck through the admissions process. Thinking back, I honestly don't remember a class that was so tight, so cohesive, always looking out for each other, always having each other's backs. Their perseverance is admirable, and to watch them interact with each other, with faculty and staff, and with their patients was inspirational. Each and every one of you will be sorely missed, and speaking for the faculty and staff, we are so proud and happy for you, but sad that you will no longer be with us. We would be remiss, as President Cook has already pointed out, if we didn't take a moment or two to thank the family members and friends that hopped on this crazy ride right along with you. Behind every dental hygiene student, there is someone, and if you're lucky, there's more than one person that kept pushing you along, that listened to you cry, that listened to you yell. They have lived through every failed exam, every lousy set of radiographs, and every standard not met right along with you. Let's show the family and friends how much we appreciate them. Thank you to our part-time faculty and staff that help keep all the balls in the air and the patients coming in. It goes without saying that this program could not survive without all of your hard work. Thank you to the class of 2021 for so many memorable moments, too numerous to mention, and definitely not enough time in this ceremony. We wish you nothing but the best as you embark on the next leg of your journey and are proud to call you our colleagues. Remember, you always have a home here. Please come back and visit. A quote to leave you with, which I hope will be useful in your future, is from the author Nora Ephron. If you don't go after what you want, you'll never have it. If you don't ask, the answer will always be no. If you don't step forward, you'll always be in the same place. Don't stay in the same place. Keep moving forward. God bless you and keep you safe. Thank you. So I present to you the graduating dental hygiene class of 2021. Okay, so you can all take your seats, and Mr. Reynolds will cue up the slideshow. Did you want to move out there so you can see it? It's so interesting. We talk about what a stressful program it is, and they made us look like liars because they're having a great time. But we do have a good balance, though, in dental hygiene, and I'm so happy for all of you. Just to let you know, graduates, the photographer has requested your presence out at the gazebo so he can get a couple of group photos. And then you're welcome to go with your families. And families, thank you so much for coming. It's so important that you're here, and I wish I could meet every single one of you. So anyway, thanks again. Have a great evening, everyone. Take care.